Today we're installing bear-proof food storage boxes in the Canyon Campground with one of our YCC crews. Our bear management team uses these boxes as a tool to prevent bears and other wildlife from getting human food. The first thing we do is pick a location for the box. Then we use a jig to mark where we need to dig. We remove any rocks or roots and dig 4 holes using hand tools. Once the holes are finished, we place concrete forms in the ground and make sure they're level. Then we'll mix concrete, fill in the forms, and place bolts. Once the concrete is set, it's time to set the box on the foundation. We level the box and then secure it to the foundation footers. For additional stability, we dig 1 more hole for a steel post, bolt it to the box, and fill it with concrete. The last thing to do is spray paint the post, and it's ready to use. My name is Sam Archibald, and I'm a crew leader with Yellowstone Youth Conservation Corps.